How to transfer money from Revolut to SwedBank. Open the Revolut app and tap on Payments at the bottom. Click the plus icon in the top right corner. If you're in Sweden, select Bank Recipient, or if you're outside Sweden, click Send International and search for Sweden. Enter the amount you want to send, then click Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your SwedBank IBAN, which you can find in the SwedBank app or website, along with your account number, first and last name, and optionally, your email address. After entering all the details, click Add Recipient. The recipient will be saved in your Revolut account. Go to the payment section, select the recipient, and click Send. Choose the amount to transfer, then click Continue. Finally, confirm the transfer, and the money will be sent to your SwedBank account. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.